Hi, this is Don with Cowboy Biker Adventures. This week's episode and adventure will cover Norris Geyser Basin and so much more, so be sure to stick around to after the credits for bonus video. Also, at the start of the video, I added an impromptu interview by a lady that saw me recording, so she interviewed me on the spot. And all the Geyser video is right after that. So come along, I think you're going to enjoy it.
Do you want me to report live news or anything?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
You can.
Yes.
Have you come from the geyser?
No, I have not. Have you?
No. I guess there is a geyser to see, correct?
I think so.
Well, I hope so.
You hope so. Are you here by yourself?
I am.
You are. Where are you from?
Texas.
Texas. Where in Texas?
Arlington, between Dallas and Fort Worth. But I travel full time in my RV. And I film and put up YouTube videos.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I've got about 100 videos up now.
Good for you. That's awesome.
I'll give you my card if I can get to them.
Well, good for you. I think that's wonderful. Is this your first time in Yellowstone?
Yep.
Mine too.
I've been, well, yep, it's first time.
Mine too, and I like your cross.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My name is Don, but it's Cowboy Biker. You want a card too?
I'll borrow hers.
Okay. I'd appreciate you check out my videos. It's not about motorcycles, it's about scenery.
That's awesome.
So I just happen to use RV and motorcycles to do it with.
And the means to which to get to everywhere, and I'm sure you meet lots of interesting people.
I do.
Yes.
I meet a lot of nice people.
That's awesome.
Yeah, just like y'all. Where y'all from?
Michigan.
Oh, cool. I haven't made it there yet.
Oh,
Probably next summer.
well, I'm here to tell you, you can't get much friendlier people than in the Midwest.
I know it's beautiful, that's for sure.
If you go to Michigan, make sure you go to the UP.
UP.
Yes.
Okay.
You want to go to Marquette, which is Pictured Rocks area.
And
That's where Kid Rock has done some of his music videos.
oh, cool. Yeah, I like Kid Rock. I've seen them in concert.
You Google Kid Rock in the UP, Michigan, I'm sure you'll see it's a national park.
Cool.
It's gorgeous.
What's y'all's name?
Jamie.
And Randy.
All right, glad to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you too, Don. Yes. God bless you.
God bless you. Y'all be careful.
Have a great time.
All right, thanks. Okay, this is Porcelain Trail in Norris Geyser and Museum area.
So that's Ledge Geyser. And look what it done to the trees. They have a rough life. All this sulfur in the air. So I think that thing pretty much goes off all the time. It is beautiful color blue. Look how crystal clear it is. Makes you just want to get in it. Let me do a panoramic view of the area. It's a clear day.
Thank you for watching this week's adventure of Norris Geyser Basin. But we're not done yet. Stick around to after credits for bonus video of what I filmed along the way, including a mountain goat and a waterfall. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on weekends, be sure to subscribe.
Actually standing in the water with my waterproof boots. My first waterfall I saw in Yellowstone.
Again, thank you for watching this week's episode, and join me next week for more from Yellowstone National Park. Until then, have a good one.
Mountain goat.